What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. I have missed you very, very much. It has been a minute since I have seen you last. So today I hope you are as excited as I am because I have an awesome video in store for you. Today I am going to tell you 5 tips that will teach you how to deal with those bad hair days. So let's get started. So before we jump into today's video, guys, I do want to talk to you about today's video sponsor, Rose Gold in Black. Now, as you guys know, Rose Gold in Black is our weekly video sponsor. They support me, they support you, therefore they support us, and they support the content on this channel. So if you guys are looking for an incredible way to improve your style, head over to rosegoldandblack.com. There will be a link for you in the description. Everything on that link, when you click on it, is already going to be discounted on the website, so you don't have to enter any type of discount code. They have some of the most amazing jewelry that I own, including this necklace and much, much more. This is actually one of my favorite pieces right now, and it's on the website on sale if you click the link in the description. So head over to rosegoldandblack.com and show them some love. So, you have a bad hair day, huh? I know. I've been there. We've all been there. It sucks, right? I know. But it's okay. It's okay, because I have a solution for you. Now, I'm going to show you 5 tips that I use on a very, very regular basis to make sure that I don't have to deal with any bad hair days. These tips have saved my life and saved my hair on multiple occasions. So you're going to be getting my secrets to hairstyle success. No more bad hair days for you ever. So, tip number 1. It's going to sound simple and it's going to sound redundant, but you're having a bad hair day, throw a hat on. That's why I have a hat on right now, actually. I'm in between haircuts. My sides are not faded at all. My hair is too long. It's in that awkward stage. So I threw a hat on. I know it sounds simple. I know it sounds stupid. But if your situation allows it, it's one of the quickest and one of the easiest ways to not have to deal with a bad hair day. Not only that, hats are stylish, hats are cool, and hats are easy. And if you can pull it off based on your situation, like you're allowed to wear hats to work and school and stuff like that, then it's one of the easiest things that you can do to fix a bad hair day. If you look in the mirror, hair's not working out for you that morning, simply throw a hat on and walk out the door, you're good to go, no problem. Now, if you can't wear a hat to school or you can't wear a hat to work based on your situation, you're not allowed to do so, then you can always try tip number 2, which is re-washing your hair. I like to think of this as sort of like a clean slate method. So if it doesn't work for you the first time around, wipe the slate clean and try it again. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. If you have the time to do it, simply wash your hair again, wash the product out, shampoo it again, condition it again, whatever you have to do to make sure that your hair feels clean, and start the hairstyle over. Hey, I mean, let's just be real here. Sometimes your hair wakes up on the wrong side of the bed, just like you did, and it just does not want to cooperate. It needs that second cup of coffee to punch it in the face and wake it up. That second cup of coffee being the shower or the tub or the sink, whatever. Now, I have honestly no idea whether there's actually science behind this or not, or why it actually works, but I do this literally all the time, and it works for me based on my experience. I've been doing this for years, so literally, if you're having a bad hair day, just wash it again and start over. It's one of the best things you can do, I promise. It's not gonna let you down. Now, tip number 3 is that you could try using a different hair product. Now, there's one primary thing that I mean by this. I mean using a different styling product, like a different clay, a different wax, a different cream, a different pomade, whatever you're into, try to use a different product. Why would you do that? Because your hair gets used to the same hairstyling routine if you do it every single day. It's just like if you take a medicine for a long period of time, your body almost starts to adapt to it and get used to it. Your hair does the same thing with products in it. So if you mix it up every so often and confuse your hair, you're gonna have less bad hair days mixed in simply because you're not doing the same thing every single day. Now keep in mind, I have about 3 or 4 main products that I keep in rotation for my hairstyles. And you know, some of those products I can use for the exact same hairstyle, and I do, but simply because it's a different product made out of different stuff for the most part, it's going to react to my hair differently. My hair is going to react to it differently. And again, it's just going to reduce the amount of bad hair days that I'm having in between. Not only that, a change in your hairstyle once in a while is not necessarily a bad thing. Using different products will allow you to try different hairstyles. You can try high holds, you can try low holds, you can try some shine, you can try some texturizing stuff. It's gonna give you a little bit of variety. If you style your hair the same way every single day, that's boring. Try to add a little bit of versatility in there with some different products, maybe try something new. People are gonna notice that. People are gonna notice that you have confidence in yourself, you have confidence in your hairstyle, that you're willing to try multiple different styles on a regular basis. It looks good on your part, honestly. Tip number 4 might be controversial and it might get me in trouble, but I have to say it, it's gotta be said. Tip number 4 is that you want to try to go without any products whatsoever in your hair. No clays, no freaking waxes, no pomades, no nothing if you can help it, because you need to give your hairs a break. Using hair products on a daily basis is not good for your hair. Anybody will tell you this, any company will tell you this, whether they use all natural ingredients or not. Using hair product in your hair is not good for it. It makes it dry, it makes it brittle, and it makes it unhealthy. It's a good thing to give your hair a break and let it breathe for a day or two. Just give it some space. Let it relax, let it lay the way it wants to naturally lay. It's going to benefit you in the long run. Not only that, if you're not using products on a daily or weekly basis and you give your hair a rest without any product at all, it's gonna allow your hair to regenerate all those natural oils that keep your hair healthy. And last but not least, tip number 5 is that you don't want to worry about bad hair days too much. It happens to everybody. Everyone deals with bad hair days. Everyone has gone through it. It sucks. We all know it. You have the awkward stage of hair where you're in between haircuts, whatever. We've all been there, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. It's nothing to be worried about. All that you can do is just do your best to manage it and know that it's not permanent if you follow these 5 tips. So that wraps it up for today's video, guys. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the crew family. We are just past 2,000 subscribers. That is absolutely crazy. I cannot begin to thank you guys enough for all of your support. It means so much, and the crew family is so strong. If you found this video helpful, give it a big fat thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section down below. Let me know what videos you want to see next, and I will do my best to make it for you. Other than that, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you next Friday. Peace.